Amazing.
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I missed doing kitchen corner for so long, but anyway, we are back and we're back with pilau. This is a requested recipe from Sijui Lini, but I had to perfect it and give you the best. You know what I'm saying? I have to give you the best. Also, do you know that a good meal can stimulate the release of dopamine? So let's get our dopamine by making this delicious pilau in under 10 minutes. Munite naitwaje wa Swahili, jina imepotea. Anyway, so first things first, the starters of the show. Obviously, we're going to lay our ingredients now, and then when we start ni kusonga na kusonga. So first things first, the starters of the show is pilau masala, tomato paste, rice, pre-boiled meat, lots of red onions. I know I'm zioni hapa, but lots of red onions. Also, remember, don't chop your onions kidogo kidogo. Cut them big. You know what I'm saying? Ginger and garlic paste, salt, and obviously oil. So wash your rice thoroughly with cold water. Also, at this point, I believe all rice can cook pilau. It just depends on how you cook, how normally you cook your rice. You know what I'm saying? In a pot, put oil and let it heat on high, and then add your onions. The secret to getting brown delicious pilau is to brown your onions. Trust me. See, mambo na soy sauce and what? No, brown onions. This takes time, so be patient. When the onions are brown, add your pre-boiled meat and brown it also. Be patient. This also takes time. I believe, like, when cooking pilau is always testing your patience, but be strong. Also, be careful not to burn the onions, because if the onions burn, remember my first pilau recipe, I'm going to link it here. My onions burnt, so my pilau had that bitter taste. Anyway, it was well brown, but it did not taste good. So don't be like me. Then be like me now. Anyway, so the line between browning the pilau and burning them is thin. Yo. Add your pilau masala, salt, ginger, garlic paste. I used the whole cloves of garlic, like veina kwanga yote. I used all of it, and 2 sachets of pilau masala, because I was making almost like 2 kgs of pilau. Yo, that's how you know it's about to go down. 2 kgs of pilau, yo, mana, no. Also, I like to add my spices on the meat so that they can infuse well, like as it's browning and everything, add everything there, apart from tomato paste. Add your rice and fry it together with the meat. Now, after the spices have been infused, your pilau masala, enough salt, ginger garlic paste, add your rice and fry it together with the meat. The reason why we are frying our rice fast is so that it's shikane na isiungue. That's another trick, yo. That's another trick. So fry, turn, toss and turn the rice in that mixture, like let it marinate, let it come, yani ishikane na hizo vitu zingine za tumetangulisha huko, all those spices. Fry it for a few minutes and then add tomato paste. I used like the 3 sachets of tomato paste. You can unaweza mingi ama kidogo, it depends on you, as shown in the start of the video. I like to add tomato paste to the rice because tomato paste tends to stick. So ukiongeza kwa nyama inashikana, and then nyama pilau inaanza kushika chini. So add it to the rice, and when added to the meat. So when added to the rice, it does not. Anywho, it can be done anytime. It depends on how you're doing it. But we're gonna do it my way today. So add tomato paste to the rice. Also after that, add your boiled water after, and depending on your rice. So like on normal days, when I cook my rice, the ratio is 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water on high heat. So that means if you cook your rice on medium heat, you are going to reduce the amount of water. Hope that makes sense. So first of all, before you learn how to make pilau, you have to understand how to make basic things like rice, So you have to learn your rice. That's why I said any rice can make pilau. I believe so. So the normal way, basmati, pishori, anga what, any rice can make pilau. As long as you know how your rice turns out, you know how to cook your rice. So the rice that I'm cooking, that's how I normally do it. But it will tend to be different on the maybe basmati rice. So it depends on your rice, give or take. Let it boil for like 5 minutes, and when the water subsides, like in the video, check if it's almost done. If it's not almost done, let it cook till the water is not visible but you can hear it. Pilau pilau will humble you, and it will teach you so many reasons, and all your senses will be heightened, and you also have to use all your senses. So maji kipungua, kuna ile semene hauoni maji but you can hear venye maji inatokota. So ukianza kusikia maji inatokota, haiko visible huku juu but unasikia maji inatokota, then remove from the heat and cover it with either foil or a metallic sufuria and set it aside on the floor, probably for like 20 or 30 minutes before serving. Kuna watu wengine wanaweka foil juu, wanaweka makaa, ama wanaweka kifunika sufuria, wanaweka makaa kutoka juu. It just depends on you. So this is how I'm doing mine. So mine, I set it just aside and it steams with that steam yake for 30 minutes before serving. As you're serving sasa, fluff it out, like igeuze ya chini ije juu, ya juu iende chini. You know what I'm saying? I know I started with English, but Kiswahili kidogo metam Swahili jamani. Mnite nani nipe jina ya Swahili hapo chini juu meza hii recipe ya masijaweza. Anyway, enjoy when you try. Till next time. Bye. Anyway, msikize review huku mbele basi.
Kwaje?
Chani wa show venye na enjoy. Amazing.